it's a flurry of statements from Vasundhara Raje's office. Vasundhara Raje has issued yet another statement. This is a fresh statement in the last 24 hours. There have been 3 such statements. Once again questioning the coverage of the media channels. She denies any signature campaign of 120 MLAs that she's been holding, and also says there is an attempt to tarnish her image. In her statement, she says that the reports of her getting signatures of 120 MLAs is completely false. Let's go across to Aditya Raj Kaul, who joins me from Jaipur. Aditya, clearly Vasundhara Raje being very cautious, not wanting to give any sign that she is going to show a show of strength to the BJP leadership, which is why every time there is speculation that there are MLAs being paraded or there is a signature campaign, she actually comes out and puts out a formal statement denying it.
Absolutely, Navika. This has been happening for over 24 hours. This is the 3rd such statement, as you were mentioning rightly. Vasundhara Raje yet again coming out with a statement that I have in my hand. In fact, the statement says that 120 MLAs being paraded or show of strength or signature letters being taken from them is completely baseless reportage. But sources had indicated early morning 2 times now that there are at least 120 MLAs who have been approached by Vasundhara Raje for a signature campaign, for a show of strength. If I can read out from this particular statement, this says, मुख्यमंत्री श्रीमती वसुंधरा राजे के संबंध में आज भी कुछ चैनल सत्य से परे और तथ्यहीन खबरें चला रहे हैं। जैसा कुछ चैनल्स पर दिखाया जा रहा है वैसा मुख्यमंत्री श्रीमती राजे के कुछ भी नहीं कहा, लेकिन लगातार मुख्यमंत्री जी की राजनीतिक छवि को खराब करने के उद्देश्य से कुछ चैनल ऐसा मनगढ़ंत खबरें चला रहे हैं। श्रीमती राजे के पक्ष में 120 विधायकों के हस्ताक्षर करवाए जाने की खबर भी सरासर गलत है। एंड देन शी गोज ऑन टू मेंशन दैट ऑन एवरी फ्राइडे शी मीट्स बीजेपी लीडर्स, बीजेपी एक्टिविस्ट एंड MLAs. They do come to her to discuss various issues, but the question really is that she has not been in Secretariat. We have been camping here in Jaipur for over 2 weeks now. She was not in Secretariat for over 36 hours. She has been holed up at her residence. She has been only meeting her close aides, confidants, and strategizing whatever will happen in the next 24 hours, because the next 24 hours are very crucial for her. She's been cornered from all angles. She has not been getting the support and the backing that she really wanted from the BJP and the RSS. The question really is, will she make that important visit to New Delhi for the Niti Aayog meeting, or face a massive embarrassment in the national capital in view of lack of support at national